So we've arrived at Cummins State Park to check out the Cummins Waterfalls. Let's go to the overlook, see what it looks like, and go from there. Come on now. Well, Bursitis Betty over here. Needed to sit and rest. That's why Mr. Cooley donated this bench, I guess, is so we can sit and rest. As soon as the senior's hip gets feeling better, we'll head off again. Did see a pretty cool idea here. They used roofing shingles for grippy. Kind of a neat idea. Inexpensive. So this treacherous trail that we had to pay $7 for, yeah, it's got a slope to it, but it's pretty nice. The treacherous part is going to be walking through the water, I guess. So here we are at the treacherous part. I'm being sarcastic, of course. I think most people that can reasonably healthy can do this. Of course, we're just heading in. Don't know yet. Can you see the fish? I don't know if you can see the fish, but they're there. Did you get wet?
A little bit.
Okay. I don't want to sound bossy, but she's walking on the slippery rocks and she's going to end up down again. Oh, or I will. I'm going right up through there.
Okay.
This is going to be funny. I'm going to record this.
Don't
Fall into the water, not on the hard rocks, if you can help it. There you go. There you go.
You did that to me. You didn't do that.
Did I? So, babe, I guess it is a treacherous trail.
The rocks are very slippery.
You want to go first so I can
Absolutely.
lead the way?
Okay. Pretty good for a woman.
I don't know how well you can hear us, but we made it. And would you call that a treacherous trail?
Not really.
How many times did you fall, though?
2. How many did you fall?
I didn't fall any.
Oh.
I slipped.
You fell once.
I didn't fall. It's not the coming down, it's the walking up the river that's difficult. Oh my word. Right there's the lookout.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
That's where we were earlier. You could just make a little zip line right there. Alright, so we're going to snap a couple pictures, but we're going to get in the water and enjoy this strenuous walk we just took to get here.
Bye. Still on the cold.
You just got to do this. Where's the puppers? Where's the puppers? You good?
I feel good.
Look at you. they do have lifeguards here. There's 3 of them. They're in the green khaki right there in front. That's a guy, and there's 2 girls over to my right. That dropped right off right there.
I know.
And I'm going this way because that's how it's taking me. I'm trying to swim. It's a little deep right here. Still not touching. Keep swimming, baby. Oh. Ouch. I found a rock.
Oh, I found a rock.
That was a little bit of a swim right there. That is very deep.
I love this.
Huh?
I love you, baby.
Go. Well, shit, I hit bottom.
I hit bottom right there, too.
I'm standing. I did not expect to hit bottom on that.
I hit bottom, too.
Oh, this is awesome right here. You can stand up, baby. I'm kneeling. What do you want to do?
I've always wanted to do.
Be on the back side?
Yeah.
Back side of the waterfall. Ooh. I'll get you swimming out. Let's see how far I can touch. Running out, gotta swim. We found a touch-me-not bush. Can we find any more of the little... There's one. Ooh, he blows up. It's a little slickery here. Well, we're on our way back up. How you doing?
Doing pretty good. How about you?
Let's continue on. It's not bad climbing the hill. It's when you look up the hill and see the trail that you eventually have to get to. Right? Can't see it. I can't see it, but by the sign behind us, you can tell that we've made it to the top.
Da-da-dun, da-da-dun.
I'm gonna edit out.
I feel good.
No, you feel good now?
Yeah, feel good.
You should have heard her 5 minutes ago. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I did not say that.
My knee's gonna blow up. Just call the ambulance now. If you're gonna climb that far down, you might as well stay for an hour or two
And swim.
and swim, watch the people,
So
enjoy the water, the view, the nature, have a little sandwich, enjoy it some more, and then climb up.